Hi, I'm Hannah and I work for J Parker's. Today I'm going to talk to you about dahlias. So dahlias are incredible flowers and they will flower all summer long as you keep deadheading them. What do you do in the autumn when they start to die back? So I thought I'd explain to you how you should lift them and store them over winter. So when they start to die back, all the foliage will start to go yellow and it'll all sort of fall over. After it's done that, it's important to then lift them, but if you do it too soon there won't be enough nutrient that's been brought back into the tuber and your dahlias won't be as good next year, so you need to wait for that to happen before you lift them. So what you can do is cut all of this year's growth off, lift them out of the ground, and then you need to store them. So the best place to store them is in a cool, dark place like a shed or a garage, and you need to allow them to completely dry out. So it's recommended that you either store them in paper bags to keep any moisture out, or big tubs filled with sawdust, and I know that a lot of the big gardens will do it that way because it stops any moisture getting into the tuber and you don't want them to rot off over winter. It's also important that your shed or garage is frost free. If it isn't, that will kill them over the winter. So as I say, cool, dark place, keep them completely dark throughout winter, and then in the spring, as soon as the frost has passed, you can then replant them and then you should have dahlias coming up over the summer.